Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we stay in the Landmar Costa Los Gigantes in Tenerife, where we stayed for 7 nights and we stayed in a ocean view suite in Block G. This was quite handy because it was near the lifts and you could easily get to the main complex and the pools. It was also near the laundry room.
Bathroom. Yep. Big wardrobe space and some doors in there. Main bedroom. More wardrobes. And the safe. Looks like some extra blankets up there. Got our balcony and we've actually got a really nice view. Very nice. And little pull-out bed for Freddie.
And then forget to join again.
Very nice. What have we got in here? And fridge in there.
So now I'm going to take you on a tour around the main complex and reception area. Starting off on the bottom floor, we have the Teens Club downstairs, just on the left hand side of the main doors as you come in. There are then a selection of arcade machines. Most of these are sort of from €2 each, so a little bit pricey. There is a machine to get change. There are some pool tables, again they are €2 a game. Just behind the stairs to the left is the Broadway entertainment bar where the evening entertainment is. Around here there are a selection of shops, so starting off with the supermarket. Then in the middle there is a gift shop and souvenir shop where they sell bags and various gifts. And then on the end there is a Landy gift shop, so the kids can get some Landy souvenirs. There's also a colouring area for the kids as well, with table and chairs. To the left hand side there is the sunset bar and also the photo kiosk, so they will come and take photos throughout your holiday, and then you can decide to purchase them in a package if you would like. Moving on to the middle floor, this is where the restaurants are. So there are 2 buffet restaurants. Vulcan, which is over there. That is like an overflow restaurant for when it's busy. Then over here we have the main buffet restaurant, which is Tady. In Tady they have specials on, depending on the day, which they have a board here where you can see which specials they have on throughout the week. Each night has a themed night and they have different food on. There are 2 a la carte restaurants towards the front where they have like an outdoor terrace area, and these are Bones and Chow. Bones is a grill restaurant and Chow is a Italian. They're both in the same area, you just have to go to one side or the other depending on which one you've booked.
Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain.
Moving on to the top floor, in the top corner here you can find the excursions desk where you can book day excursions. Straight ahead around here is the reception, and in between the lifts and the excursions desk there is a another snack bar for late arrivals where they have sandwiches and snack items to keep you going if you've missed the restaurant closing times. There's also a luggage store next to reception. Outside the buffet restaurants they have allergy information. In the buffet restaurant there's plenty of seating available inside, and there's also a outside area. If you are staying in a landy room you will have a designated area where you can sit. It's sort of fenced off from the rest of the dining area. Here is a selection of the breakfast items that we had throughout the week. There's a lot to choose from. Most people will be able to find things that suit them. There's a range of cold meats and cheeses, there's cereals, fruit, pastries, and also there are areas where they cook food fresh. Mainly in the morning it will be eggs and pancakes.
Since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet.
The kids even have their own landy buffet with plastic plates and a lower counter, so it's easier for them to reach.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking?
In this area there is a sports complex where there's volleyball, table tennis, archery, football, normal tennis. There's also a drinks van here. As you can see, it's closed at the moment, but they have drinks and slushies available for you to just go up and get for yourself. There's a kids soft play area and some trampolines here. Right next to it there's also a splash area which is available to use right throughout the day. If the weather is good, then this tends to be fairly quiet because a lot of people go to the pools instead, so you can make the most of it whilst it's quiet.
Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice.
Over in this area there is mini golf and there's also a high ropes course.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking.
In this room to the left we have the laundry room where you can come and bring your washing as many times as you like throughout your stay. So the tumble dryers are €4 and they are for 45 minutes. The washing machines are €5 and each wash takes 30 minutes, so it's quite a quick cycle. Right outside we have a water filling station where you can fill up your bottles of water. Here we have the outdoor terrace where they have the entertainment in the evening.
Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way.
So here is the quiet pool. There's no music in this area, no entertainment, so it's kept nice and calm. Over there we have the Balinese beds, and they can be rented out and you can have them for the day. There's also drinks packages that you can get delivered to them. As you can see, there are plenty of sunbeds, so it's highly unlikely that you're going to struggle to get one. Obviously people leave the pool area in various times. So there's usually some that free up, especially if you get there early.
Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice.
By this pool there is a snack bar where they have a range of salads and snacks. They also have paella, hot dogs and burgers. The hot dogs and burgers are cooked to order, so they're nice and fresh. There's also the normal selection of drinks.
On quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet, but life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different?
As you walk down here towards the other pool, there is another snack area on the right hand side. This is just self-serve, and they have chips, hot dogs, pastries, burgers. They're all wrapped up and behind a counter for you to grab. Quite handy because the pool bar down here doesn't have snacks, so that's just a short walk away. On this side there are the steps and the lifts to the spa and the gym, which are downstairs. This pool area is a lot livelier. You're allowed inflatables, there's entertainment, there's music, so it's a better place to be if you're looking for a livelier area around the pool. The pool is split into two areas with a bridge going across it. There's also a baby pool over here, and there's also a kids slide with the landing pool underneath it as well. Just to mention that the slide area is actually due for refurbishment, and we're not sure at the moment what the new slide is going to look like, but that is in the works for the 2026 season. There are some handy kids toilets in this area. They don't have locks on the door, so not great for using if you're an adult, but for the kids it's great because they can't get locked in and the toilets are nice and low for them to use.
We were sparks on quiet streets.
Because the hotel is quite far away from the airport and the main parts of Tenerife in the south, I've just included some taxi prices to regular destinations. It's about half an hour from the airport, so it's not too bad, but it is a bit further out than some other areas. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.